Everyone. My name is Aditya Rajbangar and I am student of Bristol Academy Batch 21. Today I will be discussing the essential role of Clinical Research Coordinator CRC in clinical trials. Clinical research is a vital role for developing new treatments and advancing medical science, but it requires meticulous planning, coordination, and execution. The CRC plays a pivotal role in ensuring the clinical trial runs smoothly, ethical, and effectively. Let's explore the key responsibilities of the clinical research coordinator and why they are so crucial to the success of the clinical trials. The Clinical Research Coordinator (CRC) is the backbone of any clinical trial. They serve as a bridge between the principal investigator and trial participants and the various departments involved in the study. The CRC is responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of the trial, ensuring that everything runs accordingly to the study protocol, regulatory guidelines, and the highest standards of ethical conduct. One of the primary responsibilities of the CRC is participant recruiting and screening. It involves identifying and enrolling eligible participants who meet the inclusion and exclusion criteria set out in the study protocol. The CRC play a critical role in explaining the trial and potential participants, ensuring what they are understand fully what participation entails, including the risk and benefits. Once participants are enrolled, the CRC ensures that they give informed consent, a process that ensures the participant right and safety are prioritized. Once participants are enrolled, the CRC is responsible for coordinating and scheduling their visits, tests, and procedures according to the study timeline. They must ensure that all the trial-related activities, such as blood withdrawal, imaging, scanning, or questionnaires, are performed at the correct intervals. The level of coordination requires excellent organization skills, and CRC often have to manage the schedules of multiple participants while adhering to the study's strict timelines. Another vital responsibility of the CRC is data collection and documentation. CRCs ensure that all the data collected during the trial is accurate, complete, and properly recorded in the case report forms. CRF or Electronic Data Capture (EDC) system. They also account for all the deviations from the protocol, known as protocol deviation, and must document the report this to the report for sponsor or regulatory authorities. Maintaining the accuracy and integrity of the data is critical as it forms the basis of the analyzing the safety and efficiency of the intervention product. Patient care and safety is at the heart of the CRC role. They monitor participants throughout the trial, checking for adverse events or any issue that they may arise during the study. If any side effects or completions occurs, the CRC is responsible for reporting this to the PI and ensuring that the necessary medical attention is provided. This close monitoring ensures that the participant safety is always on the top priority and that any potential risks are identified and managed promptly. In addition to working with participants, CRC are also responsible for coordinating with the other stakeholders such as study sponsors, regulatory authorities, and institutional review boards (IRBs). This involves ensuring that all regulatory approvals are placed before the trial begins and that the trial complies with good clinical practices (GCP) guidelines. CRC are often tasked with the preparing documentation for regulatory submissions and audits, which requires a strong understanding of the legal and the ethical requirements of the clinical research. In the clinical in the communication is the key aspect of the CRC role. They must maintain clear and open lines of the communication with the principal investigator, updating them on the process of the trials. Thank you for listening.